tuned. Stay tuned.
That video. Make sure you subscribe.
About to get y'all an update. Scat, let y'all know what's going on. You see we up here at Caliber Collisions where my car's getting worked on. Lately I just been driving my mom's shit. You see, this made me really appreciate the Scat, man. I'm over here using a key to turn the car on. I gotta turn the lights on myself and shit like that. The car is slow. I used to leave my house like literally like 20 minutes before I had to be at work. Like now I gotta leave my house like 30 minutes earlier, like 35, like, you know, it's just fucking crazy. So you see me in this, mind your business, you know, just know, you know, it's a little break from the Scat, but about to go and get, you know, show y'all the estimate and let y'all know what they talking about, man. You follow my car Instagram, you know I was doing a giveaway that ended the other day, so we about to see what they saying. It's 4:48, they close at 5:30, so let me see. Plus I gotta get some stuff out my car too, so yeah. Oh, hey, how you doing? I called the other day because I gotta get stuff out my my car. Mm-hmm. So
What's your...
YouTube? Yeah. You wanna hey, go look my channel up, bro.
That's crazy. I'm finna start YouTube channel.
Yeah?
Yeah, I rap.
Oh, you rap?
Yeah.
You be using your own beats and shit?
Sometimes I do use beats off YouTube.
Oh yeah, see, you use your own beats and shit. I just use your music, you see what I'm saying? So I be having like cut scenes and shit. Now using homie music, but now he talking about he don't want to rap no more and whatever, so. Yeah, we about to check it out with my shit in the back, huh? Yeah, I got my shit on the lift, boy. Oh, shit. Damn, boy, they didn't put my whole shit off. Y'all see it, man. Hey, so if whoever did that estimate, man, y'all see what it's looking like. Anybody that was like 5,000, boy, y'all was way off. Make sure you watch the whole video. I'm gonna drop the, you know, the estimate at the end. Let me see. So go to E85 kit, oil catch can. They didn't took my intake off, boy. They don't have to, I don't know, my shit. Oh, yeah, this is all my stuff right here. I'm gonna see if I can just walk out with this. You know, just let me walk out with this real quick. Some more parts. This all the shit out the car. So all this right here up top. But yeah, I'm trying to get some shit on my car. You see that's busted up right there. Y'all see it, man. This shit's tragic. Tragic. Hey, how am I supposed to get stuff out the inside if it's on here? How am I supposed to get stuff out the inside if it's up here? I have to just get in there? Yeah. Oh, shit, I ain't know it's not gonna fall off, right?
No, hell no.
I'll see the airbags. Wait, cut it out. They ain't cut the seat belt. Alright. Shit. Gotta get some shit out of here, man. Got all my personal shit, bro. All this. So, man, hold up. Hey. Yo, you know where the key at? Key? Yeah, cause I'm trying to get in the glove department. That shit is locked. Niggas asking for the calibers out the car, boy. Where? Oh, yep. There it is right there. Go ahead, pop this. Jump back up here, boy. See, man. Like if they tow this car out, right, I got aftermarket shit on here. I'm able to take that off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause like, I'm not trying to take off shit that came on the car. You see what I'm saying? They let you come in here like this. What I'm saying, like this right here, like this. I have to come over here and nab this off, right? Cause this is my shit.
Yeah, you should.
This right here, and then you see like this right here. That right there, that's mine. You see what I'm saying? That don't come on a car. This shit right here, this don't come on a car. This right here, this shit, this don't come on the car. So they don't come and let me like get
all
this.
All the shit you pay for.
Yeah, like stuff that didn't come on the car. Like this is aftermarket shit. This right here. Yeah, and I ain't talking about like, you know, engine and shit, like the engine and stuff, but alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope y'all like, you know, enjoyed the, I don't know what I put in this video, slides, pictures or whatnot. But basically, you know, we pretty much done with the whole situation. They gonna let me know tomorrow. My insurance company gonna let me know tomorrow if the car is at a total loss or whatnot. And let me see 1 second. And if so, I'm able to take off anything I put on the car myself. Take it off, so all those items gonna be for sale. Like if you hit me up asking about items, I'm gonna go by who actually hit me up first, and also if you sub to my channel, because a lot of people hit me up just on like the Instagram tip, like they didn't even know I had a YouTube channel. So if you one of those people, then I'm not even gonna like sell it to you first. I'm gonna sell it to people that have been rocking with the channel. That's a fair way to do it. And also whoever hit me up first. So whoever hit me up first and sub to the channel, that's what I'm gonna go with first for, you know, each part. Mainly everybody was asking about the E85 kit. That was like the main thing. So what's gonna be for sale is the E85 kit, the intake, the wicker build, and the oil catch can. But like I said, that's only if they tow the car out, which I'm about to show y'all what the estimate is to repair the car. So y'all about to see, and that's pretty much it. We out.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I said. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here getting